Investing in stocks isn't as complicated as most people think. You don't need a finance degree or thousands of dollars to start. All you need is a brokerage account, which you can open online with $0, and you're ready to go. The simplest way to start: index funds. Instead of trying to pick individual winning stocks, buy a fund that tracks the S&P 500. This gives you small pieces of ownership in about 500 of America's largest companies in one single purchase. Over the last 50 years, the stock market has averaged about 10% returns annually. That means if you invested just $100 monthly for 30 years, you could end up with over $100,000. The biggest mistake new investors make is constantly checking their investments. The stock market goes up and down daily, but what matters is the long-term trend. Once you invest, the best thing to do might be the hardest. Don't look at it constantly. If picking individual stocks excites you, limit it to 10% of your portfolio. For the other 90%, stick with diversified funds. Even Warren Buffett recommends low-cost index funds for most Americans. Remember that investing is a long-term game. Don't invest money you might need in the next 5 years. And as you get closer to your goals, gradually shift some investments from stocks to more conservative options like bonds. The most important step is simply starting. Open that account, set up automatic contributions, and let time do the heavy lifting. Your future self will thank you for the financial freedom you're building today.